Bracketteers. Alright, we are going to do a taste test of caramel apple Oreos.
We have an apple thing going on.
You guys
here.
ready to see how we think about it? Let's see.
Start.
With my triple stuffed apple and my triple apple drinks, it's an apple night.
Tonight he's going to sleep like a granny apple.
Nice fun.
What do you think?
Okay, so
First of all, 1 out of 10 for like
8.
8.
That's not bad. Doesn't taste like an. I don't feel like I'm eating an Oreo, but it does have the texture and consistency that's delicious in an Oreo, so that's good. But it tastes like caramel apple,
Did you taste the flavor?
but it has a little bit of artificial taste to it, so that's kind of disappointing. But I mean, it's an Oreo cookie, so of course it's going to taste artificial. But yeah, it does have that little bit of a artificial, but it does taste good. I like it. I don't know if I'd buy it again, but
Cool.
Cool.
Next.
Next. Don't be shy. Give it a try.
Let's go.
Nope. You like this?
1 to 10. What's your score?
you gotta have part of the cookie with it though. You can't just
Oh,
like
it's
this.
Sarah's time
Oh,
to
man.
review.
Not a helpless situation. It kind of tastes like apple pie when you do it that way. 1 to 10. Maybe a 4. No, like 3.
Not so much.
You wouldn't buy it again?
It's better as a cookie. Don't eat the middle by itself.
No, I gotta try the middle by itself.
Your turn.
You're right. It's better as a cookie.
Dude. You're wasting time here.
It's funny though.
Battery's flashing.
I shouldn't took the whole bite out.
Get to it, and I'm not.
Oh no.
Choking on film. That bad, huh?
I don't think it's horrible. I'd probably give it like a 6. It does. I do taste caramel apple flavor. So, not like some other Oreos we've had where it does not taste like what it says it is. I don't think it's too bad. I would eat it if someone had it, but I don't think I'd buy it myself.
Cool.
I'd like to revise my number. It has a really funky aftertaste that kind of sticks around, and that makes me drop it down to a 6.5.
6.5. Carolyn stir.
Okay, I'm gonna try it with the filling first, and then I'm gonna try it with the
Okay.
thing on top, okay? I taste the caramel, but I don't taste the apple. It's not too bad. Let's try this way. It tastes like an apple pie. It's kind of good.
Cool. So your rating is?
I'd give it a 6.
Yeah.
It's not like awesome, but it's not like terrible.
Cool. So it looks like we're averaging right around a 6. Yeah.
I am eating another one.
It's not that bad.
I do have to say that eating this by itself is a lot.
So tell us what you guys think about us trying food. If you like it, maybe we'll do it more.
We should do a Will It cookie.
Will it cookie? What's that?
we can make things that don't normally look like a cookie, or you wouldn't normally put on a cookie, into a cookie and see if it tastes good. Like,
So like, will it taste good?
no, will it cookie? Like, will it be a good cookie? And you
Or
can
do you will it into a good cookie?
no, like, will it work? But instead of saying will it work, you say will it
I thought
cookie?
about it.
So you have a cookie.
Okay, bye.